Hello students, this is a doubt class for you. Students, subject mathematics. Students asked me a question. The question is MCQ type. 1 plus x 1 plus x square 1 plus x to the power 4 into 1 plus x to the power 8 into 1 minus x. This is the question, and this is objective type question, and the options given here are 1 plus x to the power 16. Option B is 1 minus x to the power 16. Option C is x to the power 16 minus 1, and D option is x to the power 8 plus 1. This question is asked by a student, but he did not mention of which class the question is given. So please, if you have any doubt, please mention page number and class of which the particular question is related. But no problem, let us see how can solve this problem. The question is 1 plus x into 1 plus x to the power 2 into 1 plus x to the power 4 into 1 plus x to the power 8 into 1 minus x. This is the question. I think this is class 8 question, class 8 problem. So first of all, see from where we may begin or try to solve this problem. If you see this and this terms, we see here that there is some relation established in between these two terms. If a term is written as a minus b into a plus b, then we can collectively, if a term is written as a plus b and a minus b, means a minus b into a plus b, we can collectively written as according to the identity a square minus b square, and this identity will be used here to solve this problem. So first of all, solve these two terms using this identity. Here suppose that this is a plus b and this is a minus b, so we can write these two terms as a square, means a square means 1 square, which is 1, and b square means x to the power 2. We can write this, and again next these terms right here, 1 plus x square 1 plus x to the power 4 into 1 plus x to the power 8. Again See here, again this identity can be used here for these two terms, and we can write these two terms by using this identity collectively. A square means 1's square, always we will get 1, and here b means x square, so x square of square we will get. So a minus b into a plus b, again we can write a minus x to the power 4 here. So write all these terms as same it is, and 1 plus x to the power 8 again here. Next, again by using this identity we can write these two terms as a minus b into a plus b as 1 minus x to the power 4 of 2 into 1 plus x to the power 8. For power 4 of 2 we can write as 1 minus x to the power 8 into 1 plus x to the power 8 here. Again we will see here a plus b and a minus b obtained in these two terms. So collectively we can write as 1 minus x raised to the power 8 of power 2 by using this identity. So if we solve again this in simple form, so we can write as 1 minus x to the power 16, and this will be expressed in option B. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Let us see again the solution for this question. First of all, look at these two terms, first term and the last term. Here we will see that here we can easily use this identity a plus b and a minus b, and by using this identity we can write a square minus b square form, and again step by step this identity can be utilized, and finally we get the answer 1 minus x to the power 16, and this will be so in option B. So option B will be the correct answer for this problem. This is a doubt question asked by the student. So I hope you will understand this solution, and if you have faced any problem then you can again ask me. Okay, thank you.